Okay, in this video I want to show you how to generate a random integer in a range. For this case, we are going to use the random module. The random module is a built-in package in the Python programming language. To import it, we use the following instruction. Import random. Now we can create a variable. We can call it number and assign the value, the return value of this expression. We use the random module. From that module, we can invoke the rand int function. This function requires two arguments. Those arguments represent the range. The first argument is the lower limit, For example, if we want to use to generate a random integer from values 1 to 10, we write 1, that is the lower limit, and the upper limit will be 10. Both limits included. Now we can use a printf statement to show the contents of the number variable in the console, in the standard output device. We write number and we get a random integer between 1 and 10. Execute this code using the yellow button and we get 5. Execute again and get 7. Another execution and we can see another different values, 6. The possible values are in the range 1 to 10.